In this video I will show you how to convert MP4 video to MP3 using VLC player. For this follow this tutorial. For this first of all go to search and type VLC and select it from the list. This will open VLC player. Next click on media and then select convert or save option. Click on add button and then select your desired MP4 video file. Once your file is added, click on the convert drop-down button at the bottom of the window. In the convert window, select audio, MP3 from the profile drop-down. Click on the browse button next to the destination file field. Choose a location to save the converted file and give it a name. Finally click on Save button. Click the Start button to begin the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, navigate to the destination folder you selected to find your MP3 file and then click on it to play the MP3 audio. In this video I will In this way we convert MP4 video to MP3 audio using VLC player. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.